All right, well, Jason's here, and he's working on getting together an engine. I think he's going to put it in that 55 single cab out back. Anyway, he's fixing to start it up here. He did a couple things to it. Let's see if I can get around the corner here and get set up somewhere. Anyway, we got the starting stand back here, and this engine's been resident for quite a while. Anyway, he came over and did the last few little bits, and it's a used engine, and we'll see how it rolls. He's looking for a timing light right now, I believe, and then we got to throw a battery on it, time it, and we'll see what's up. In the meantime, I'll get this camera set up somewhere. Alright, we got kind of a self-contained engine stand here. Throw a battery on the floor, and then I got a bunch of wires here and there and around that are all labeled that go various places. Checks your generator and all the other little goodies here. So we'll get it all hooked up, and then we'll see if we can get this thing to light up. Jason's going to give us a little history on this engine here.
I bought it for $100.
There you go. Was it missing anything?
No, just had that bad valve.
Oh, that's right.
So now I can turn it on.
Well, yeah, turn it on. And you got oil light, generator light.
Is it good?
That's good. Yeah. And then we can static time it. So
Pop this back up.
I wouldn't. I'd just back it up and bring it up. If you're at 5 degrees after.
So a little more.
No, after. You want to go here. You got a 009. That's TDC. So you're going to want to go about 5 degrees ahead. Back it up. Or no, this. Here. There we go. I run mine about 5 degrees in front of TDC. And that's a 5 degree after. That's a late model pulley. So I run 5 degrees, give or take. You got your idiot light on it?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay. We need an idiot light. So I'll go get the idiot light. The high-tech timing light.
High-tech timing light. High-tech timing apparatus. Over.
Yeah, it's the only way to fly. You know what? Oh, there it is. I thought it didn't get put away the other day. I'm getting chapped here. Okay.
Put that up to your coil.
I've done a couple videos on timing things. Actually, I think I only put one up so far. I did one on my kids too, but didn't do it. Anyway, we have our ignition on here. We're going to go ahead and turn our ignition off. I don't know if the camera can see those idiot lights. And then the black wire that I use the oil sending unit as ground. And then I use the
coil.
Yeah, the coil, the condenser side of the coil, which is over here. Okay, and then we go ahead and turn our ignition on.
So this will tell me, oh, what the hell.
Yeah, and right now we're made, and we've got the crank set at probably 7 or 8 degrees advanced. I wouldn't run it quite that hot with a 009, but a little bit advanced is good. We know our rotor's coming up on number 1 here, so we're going to back our distributor off, and nothing happens, which means that your points need to be adjusted. So we're going to go ahead and adjust the points, and we'll come back. Over. I got to be over there. Hit the button. Yeah, your points are staying open. Alright, well, we determined that the points are no good here, and anyway, I think we'll just throw a set of used points on it just for the sake of getting it running.
Oh, I need to look at your thing.
Alrighty then, we got
Ooh, that stinks.
everything hooked up, wires, all that good stuff, timed now, and there's no reason it shouldn't run.
Yep, all the air is blocked off.
Anyway, so we got to grab the right tool for the job here. The one thing I don't have on my stand here is a starter button.
Oh God.
So I use the old
Use an old reverse light switch.
old son of a bitch here. And looks like we're all good to go. We got our battery cables clamped on our battery.
The carburetor's
We got our little ignition switch here, so We have ignition
Over.
right there.
Plug right.
Do you want to throw a little juice down?
Brake clean?
Well, whatever you want to use for starting fluid, or ether, or do you want to just throw a little raw
I'd
gas?
rather not risk using that.
All right. We got enough gas on the floor here, so hopefully nothing will backfire here, and we got to get the fire extinguisher, which in fact is on the post right here, just in case. So we'll see what's up. Those idiot lights look a little bit amber. We'll see if we have enough juice in this battery to run. We got ether on the thing right over there. To your right. On that roll around table, second shelf down. Whoa, now to your left. No, back towards the radio. Walk back, right there, on your left. The corner of that table, the back end towards the radio. Down one shelf. There you go. So we get a little bark fluid here, a little ether, and see if we can get some gas down here. Oh, it might help if I turn the valve on the tank on too. That will help a whole bunch. I do believe it's got a petcock. That'll work. That's plenty.
I like saying that.
Alrighty, petcock.
Petcock, over.
Okay, here we go. Give a little. Oh, I smell ether.
Me too.
Oh, I don't. It's an explosion when I make sparks here.
I'm hungry.
So. I think which ones do I short? I forgot. These ones.
The 30 to those solenoid.
Yeah. And
no battery.
no battery.
It's either, it could be the negative.
At least not enough battery. Let's see what we got here. Oh, there we go.
Oh, come on, starter. That's the starter.
Oh, yeah.
That's weird. We've lit this.
Oh, that's because I'm shorting the wrong wires. Hang on.
Huh.
That's alright. We're not done yet. We don't give up that easy, do we? Okay, watch your fingers.
Clear. Nice. Sounds
Okay,
good.
you're going to have to run the throttle when we finally get juice.
Got it.
Alright, we're losing the positive here, so I'm going to reattach that a little bit. Oh, I see.
No fuel. Oh, no, there's something in there.
I'm starting to fill up your new little thing there. See, if we'd had half the thing, we'd opened the petcock earlier. Over. And let it flow. Okay, give it a little spark there.
A little snort.
A little snort. Gotta love these cold start videos. I don't know if we've seen this one run. That's all right. That will get that. Once we get that bowl filled up. Choke it with your hand. Okay, ready? That's all right. We're not there yet. Let's see if we got any juice. You hear it? No, you haven't got your bowl filled. Give it some more.
Little buck snort.
Yeah.
What if we're hooked up backwards here?
Possible. Hold on. Well, not according to the one that's on Maynard.
The Maynard's abused. Maynard doesn't know
Poor old bastard.
what he's doing anymore. Seems to just light off the ether, and that seems like it's not getting fuel.
Well, it hasn't yet.
So we could pop that off and see if fuel's actually, if we're hooked up right, you know?
Feels dry.
It does. That wouldn't surprise me if it was backwards.
Well,
I've seen them go both either way.
Really?
No, there's shit in there.
We just got to get the bowl filled up.
I stand erected.
That's a big ass.
Yeah, 34 monster.
Yeah. Piece of Piece of feces.
Okay.
Yeah, once we get it
It's priming
filled up
now.
with some juice, it'll be
Oil
fine.
pressure's priming. That's good.
Nice.
Better. Bitter, batter, bitter, butter. Carb blows. Need some light. This is a Moonbeam rebuilt carburetor.
Oh, is it? We got nothing coming out of there yet. So we haven't got the bowl full.
God, it looks like we're flooding. Unless that was from
No, that
spill.
was from the spill.
Alright.
Yeah, we just got to get that bowl filled up and it'll light. Choke needs to be. Oh, it's not going to choke because we got the wire on it.
So should I take the wire off?
No, we have to wait for it to cool down anyway. So let's just see what happens. Ready?
Yeah.
There we go. Ready?
Just bothered it's not pumping.
You got to fill that. You know, that's you got a half quart of.
Shouldn't take that long though.
Oh. Ain't run that far yet, that fast. There you go. Alrighty then.
Yeah, nothing out the Excel pump. Thanks, Tony. So clearly we're being fed, I believe. Whoops.
Oh yeah, there wouldn't be fuel there
Yeah.
because the tank is above that line or below that line. So unless we had pressure there, and we've got all our vacuum orifices plugged up.
Yeah, there's just nothing squirting here. Alright. That bothers me.
Ready?
Yep.
Almost.
Ooh, stinky. That smelled like fuel that time.
Good. Ready?
Yep. Might be trying to do something now.
Yeah. Piece of something. No, it's wet now. Ready?
No.
Ready?
The idler's working, but no pumpo-wumpo.
Okay. Ready? How old is that thing since it was rebuilt?
Maybe 2 months ago.
Oh, really?
Claims he put a kit in it, but
Float stuck? I don't see any juice.
troublesome. I just gave Rolf a friggin' rebuild kit too with a plunger in it. Yeah, there's nothing happening, is there? If we have it happen, I bet you this thing would purr like a champ.
I don't know if it'll purr, but it should run.
It ran good last time.
Give it a shot at, just leave the thing there and then just give it a shot at ether. Don't play with the fast idle. And when it's about to die, just shoot it. Just a tiny shot. See if we can keep it running a little bit. Not having it? The hell? Over. see if it'll just start up an idle on
It seemed like it tried.
fast idle.
Oh man, we plugged up the shop, didn't we?
Yeah, it's alright. Door's open.
Light didn't go out.
Didn't?
One light went out. Like my generator. Yeah, no generator working. Oh, the wire came off of it. Shit.
Oh, did it?
One of them did.
Oh, okay. Here.
That would certainly cause a difference.
I just kind of...
Got that 10. That could explain something.
Yeah.
Over.
Got a sharp thing.
Oh, I see what's going on.
Bad. Okay.
This one, this terminal.
There you go. As long as it's snug.
Oh, the terminal's loose in the housing. That could be what's doing it.
Is it on though?
See what I mean?
Yeah, it should be alright though, as long as you didn't get turned too far. Alright, so... Well, there you have a cold mold start. Anyway, runs pretty good. All things considered, anyway, we're going to let it run a while and see if that carburetor starts functioning correctly. Thanks for watching. Well, as you can see, the engine's out of there. Jason determined it was viable, and so he's going to go ahead and put it in the thing he's working on and drive it around. Anyway, so that's one thing out of here, and we'll get to something else. Thanks for watching.